Back at it again, folks, right here at the Landscape Geek Learning Academy, where we teach landscape professionals as well as homeowners how to solve landscape problems. We've been doing it for a long time now, and today we're talking about the drainage problem that has existed on this landscape. As you can see, a lot of that water would have been coming from the hillside of this particular retaining wall, but it also said a lot of water was able to be sitting on this landscape just based on the fact that the water was able to fall to the concreted slab and then down to the path of least resistance. And so not only did we provide this customer with a beautiful landscape design with the decorative gravel along with the decorative river rock, we also put in a French drainage system that you guys would be able to see in our previous video that really dealt with this landscape in a way that allows for it to always be able to sustain any type of water that would have tried to stand on the landscape, any type of water that would have been present on this landscape. That's one of the ways in which we've been able to solve that problem for the customer and then give them a solution that's going to last a lifetime. And that's right, folks, I do mean a lifetime. This is a way in which you can give an outdoor landscape transformation that gives a solution that is absolutely going to last a lifetime, because the rocks do not deteriorate. If you put your erosion control fabric and you put your French drainage system in right, you never have to worry about doing this area again. And that's exactly what we've done today with this beautiful landscape transformation, all brought to you exclusively by the professors right here at Brooks Landscaping and the Landscape Geeks Learning Academy. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe for more DIY landscape solutions where we bring them to you every single day in a way that solves your problems and most importantly gives you insight on the way in which we're solving problems every single day.